G'day guys, my name's Nick and this is my channel Low Range Nick, where I do videos about four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four-wheel drive vehicle. So in today's video we're doing a little bit of maintenance on the MU-X and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the cabin filter. So let's pull it apart and I'll show you guys where the cabin filter is. Our first job is to get the glove box out. So we'll just open this top section here, open the bottom glove box, and now we just need to manoeuvre this across on one side, get that down and out, and then pop the other side out as well. There we go. So once you pop both of these little rubber stops out, you should be able to just pull the glove box down and just pop it off with little clips, just like that. So there's two little clips on the bottom here. So these little C-clips just go onto little mounts down here and they just pop off with a bit of force. So now we've removed the glove box, now we've got a couple of screws that we need to remove as well. So we've got a few Phillips head screws that we'll get out and then we can pull this whole trim off. There we go. So we've removed those four Phillips head screws from here. Now this section is just on little plastic clips. So we just need to go along and pop this section out with our fingers, just like that. And along the bottom as well, a couple of clips. And then there's a little light in behind here, which we just need to turn and then pop out. So the little light just sits in there, just in there. So you just put it in, turn it to lock it in, or turn it and pull it out to unlock it. So there's the little light there. So now we've got this trim out, we can put that aside. So now we can see the little pollen filter access hatch here. So we've got two little tabs on either side which we need to pop in. And then this little cover comes off. And now we can pull out the pollen filter. There you go. So that's the old pollen filter. So I replaced this probably about 30,000 Ks ago maybe. And you can see in there, so there's a bit of dust that's collected, a few little bits of leaves and crap that's collected. So it's doing a really good job. So what the pollen filter does is it basically sits between the outside vents and the blower motor, and it absorbs any of that dust, dirt, odours, pollen, you know, any of that bacteria and stuff floating through the air that's going to come through your blower system in your car. So this stops it from coming through your vents in your vehicle. It absorbs all of that and collects it here so we can change it at certain intervals. So now we're going to get rid of this old dirty pollen filter, and we've got a new Ryco pollen filter to go in. So the filter I'm using today is the Ryco cabin filter RCA 182M. So now we've replaced the pollen filter and put the cover back on. Now we just need to pop this glove box surround in, put the glove box back in, and we're finished. So don't forget to put your light in. So you just got to put the light back in, and that just sits in and then twists to lock in. And then we just push this in and clip everything back in. Awesome. So there you go guys, we've replaced the cabin filter now, and now we're going to be breathing nice clean fresh air through the air conditioning system. So it's such an easy job to do, it's something you can definitely do at home yourself. The only tool you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you can do it at home yourself, save yourself a couple of bucks, happy days. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance videos. Cheers guys.